What's up, everyone? Pokemon Jarler here with Landon.
Hi.
And today we are going to be opening up some things. So today I just bought my first ever booster box. I bought Unified Minds because honestly I'm cheap and it was the cheapest one they had. I also picked up this for Landon. So he's going to open up all 8 packs for y'all today. I'm going to be going and opening up 6 Burning Shadows, and I have something super special. I received today my first ever PSA card, so we are going to get into that right now. Alright, so I took all the wrapping off because you guys don't want to watch me sit here and try to unwrap it. And we all kind of know what comes in here. We got our sleeves, our die, our packs, our energies here, our hit marker things, this cool little medallion guy, and we have our packs. So we're going to get into these. These are all for Landon. He did really good at the doctor today, so I decided that I'd pick him up something. So he's going to bust open all 8 packs for you guys today to start this video off. Alrighty, and here we go. First pack for Landon.
Hold on. What about the... I can't open it.
Make sure you do the 4.
Magneton.
Sligo, Frogadier, Snover, Scatterbug, Rockruff,
What the heck is wrong with that Rockruff?
Skrelp,
Leo.
That's kind of cool. And Florges. Alright. Jumping into our next pack. You got it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna get this out.
Leaf Energy, Spupa, Klefki, Gabite, Clauncher, Noibat, Hanchum, Esper, Execute, Halusha, and an Avalugg. So you guys might have heard Landon and seen him in my past videos. He's my 8-year-old stepson. He's just been collecting cards with me, constantly killing it, so we're really happy to be opening these for y'all.
Terrible at opening packs, so.
That's okay. Heliosick, Diggersby, Lady, Skrelp,
Froakie,
Krogunk, Execute, Scatterbug.
Oh!
That's cool. Let's put a sleeve on that.
Okay. I haven't got any good cards
We
yet.
got a Guzzlord Ultra Beast holographic. That is awesome.
This.
So we'll put that up. That's sleeved up and ready to go. And I know I've been absent from the YouTube videos for a while, but I started a new job and it's taken up a lot of my time, so it's hard to get out here and open up for y'all, but I appreciate it if you guys are still sticking with me through all this.
Poipo.
Crasher Wake,
What?
Forfaroo, Skiddo, Goomy, Fennekin,
I like Goomy.
Okay.
There's a slash.
D-String, that's cool.
I haven't got a good card yet.
You got the Guzzlord.
Does that count as like a GX or EX?
No, that's just a regular holo. Steal this from you.
Diggersby,
Lady, Braixen, Bunnelby, Froakie, Magnemite, Pinnacle, Flabébé, Ultra Recon, and a Noivern. That's kind of cool. 3 packs remain. But the nice thing is, whatever I open from my stuff, I always share with Landon. If I double up on some cards, he's always my #1 to get it first before I do anything else with them. So.
I'm trying to get a hyper rare. Oh wait. Fire energy.
Ultra Recon Squad, Fossil, Flabébé, Pinnacle, Magnemite, Cubone, Bunnelby, Alola Marowak, and a Malamar.
Why is Sun and Moon hard to get cards now?
I don't know.
It used to be easy. These were way easier last time I got them. I didn't get a card.
Mysterious Treasure, Metal Frying Pan, Bonnie,
What the?
Pancham.
I guess only 10 cards.
I know.
This one.
Fennekin,
Helioptile,
Helioptile, Flabébé, Diggersby. What? There's something at the end.
Oh.
And a Xurkitree, non-holographic.
I have a shiny Xurkitree.
Yeah, from Hidden Fates. Oh man, I lost it.
Actually, I never get that much of good cards.
Let's do this from you.
Just be a good card.
Can Landon get some last pack magic? We got water energy.
I see a card.
Let's see what you got.
Unless I looked on top of
Did
it.
it? That's
What the heck?
I don't like that.
Every time I usually look at the gray.
This is for
I got a card. I accidentally
Agile
looked.
Fox. Look at that. I think that's a pretty bad one there.
I see a card.
So last math
Progon.
magic is real.
Launch.
Froakie, Esper, Onedge, Flabébé. That is awesome. A Lucario GX.
I got 2 good cards.
That is freaking awesome.
Is this sleeve?
Yep, I got all of your sleeve. Look at that.
That's
Last pack magic for Landon. Can't beat it.
Weird. What's up with this Dedenne and
That Dedenne is,
Rockruff?
yeah. Alright, now we're going to get into my 6 Burning Shadows. Now I know that this is a very difficult set to get that Zard, but you know what? I took a gamble. I picked them up. We're going to see what we can do here with just these 6 packs. We got Fairy Energy, Gloom, Acerola, Wishful Baton, Ralts, Crabballer, Sneasel, Venipede, Horsey, Polosand, and a Ledian. So I've hardly opened any Burning Shadows before. I started this Poke Journey right around Hidden Fates, Cosmic Eclipse, things like that. So I never, opened up a lot of this stuff. Lana, Tormenting Spray, Heatmore, Duskull, Doing a Dab, Morel, Crabrawler, Meowth, Taking a Stroll, Stuffle, Panseer, and a Crabominal. So far, nothing. That's okay.
Does he evolve into a Bombsnow?
No, that's
That
Snover. Sounds like the same, yeah. Alright. Fire Energy, Wick, Seviper, Sophocles, Noibat, Dewpider, Love Tangela, Rhyhorn, Riolu, Kingdra, and a Gyarados. That one's pretty cool.
That's cooler than my Guzzlord.
That is a pretty cool Gyarados. Not gonna complain.
It's cooler than my Lucario.
I don't think so.
I like the Gyarados. That little baby Yeti that's in Shield and Switch shows all this abundance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeti that bounces around.
Yeah. So we're down to our last 3 packs here. It's a Viper again. Lana, Tormenting Spray, Cutiefly, Dewpider, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Meowth, Krogunk, and a Ladian again for our final.
You can trade the Guzzlord if you want.
That's okay.
Are we in a cartoon? Cause all you got was cartoon cards.
I know. Realmby, Solrock, Escape Rope, Cutiefly, Tynamo, Duskull, Inkay, Brawler, Tangrowth. So far, we have got nothing from Burning Shadows except for our Hollow Gyarados. So, will this be my last pack magic? I doubt it, but you never know.
I didn't think I'd get
Heatmore, Potown, Magikarp, Krogunk, Pikachu, Pansear, Charmander in the rain, which is a terrible idea, Pampor, and a Mudsdale. So nothing. Yeah. Alrighty, so this right here is my first ever PSA card that I purchased. Ooh. This was thrown in there too, look at that. Nice little Hollow Weezing promo.
Is that hollow?
Yeah. Alright, so let's take a look at what I got here.
Isn't it the hyper?
We're going to show everybody.
Okay. Yeah, it's the hyper.
So take a look at that. This is my first ever PSA card. I didn't get anything from Burning Shadows, what I just bought. However, I just purchased this, so I cannot complain. I mean, it is just beautiful.
I think I will go top of
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we got rid of
Alrighty, guys. Thank you for stopping by, tuning in, checking this out. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you follow my Instagram because I will be doing a live opening of this box. And we'll see what happens. So I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And be kind to your other human beings.